Welcome! In front of me I have Mibro Watch X1 and I'm gonna show you how to lock the screen on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the home button. After you wake up the screen, you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel, and on this panel you should see the icon that looks like the lock. To lock that screen, the touch screen, tap on this icon. As you can see, it says screen locked, and when you try to use the touch screen, you won't be able to. This option is quite useful if you, for example, want to take a shower with your watch on or want to go to sleep with your watch on. Basically, it will prevent mistouches on the screen if you enable this option. And to unlock the screen, simply press and hold wake up the screen on your watch by pressing the home button, and then press and hold it for a couple of seconds until you see this icon right here on the screen. And after that, you should be able to use the touch screen again. And that's how you lock the touch screen or screen on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.